Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a SHEIN haul. Well, basically yesterday I received my SHEIN parcel. Yes, it's the last and the final one. We already know that due to the India and China standoff, Indian government have recently banned 59 Chinese apps, and the most common ones were SHEIN, Romi, Club Factory, and TikTok. It was the most one. So, as we support this bold step by the government, I have no choice. I don't know what I'll be doing, but yes, I'll be sharing alternatives to SHEIN in my next video. So please stay tuned. Well, let me tell you why was I shopping more on SHEIN. First reason is because they have like wonderful, beautiful, fashionable and trendy looking clothes. Also they have shoes, they have decor for your home, they have crockery, they have all the things you need for your beautiful home and everything and whatnot. Well, the second reason is all these things are for really affordable prices. They are so low and so inexpensive. I feel this is the app where you get like everything, but now we can't do that. So let's not waste any more time and get started with the video. Well, what I'm wearing now is the cherry print round neck tee. It was for rupees 573 in size L. Also the skirt is the smoked high rise flounce mini skirt for rupees 8. It was share. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also click on the bell icon here to be notified first after I upload another video. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me. The link is in the description box. Love you guys.